So next, let's talk about uh, the coming midterm exam. So in your midterm exam, there will be two questions. You need to answer all questions. So each questions contributes 15 marks each. So total it will be 30 marks. Two questions. The first question will be on uh, the first question is on entrepreneurship, which is this topic, and then we also have a question on intellectual properties. So on eh, the entrepreneurship, I mean the question would ask something around the lines of what are scopes related to entrepreneurship in civil engineering, uh, technology. Can discuss on these three main issues, and also you also need to uh, talk about the ALUO. ALUO. Uh, so we've discussed in class. So you can look at this example there as we discussed in the video also. So you need to really understand the question and the issues, and then come up with these four elements, ALUO, and then really discuss on the elements. But you need to be creative a bit on these, on the opportunities and limitations. So basically, limitation can take from the issues here, but the question will be another case study. It's a case study on a certain product. So close example will be this, but the answer will be based on the question, and then you need to understand this uh, method of marking. So in the final, there will be also a question on this topic. So one of simple question will be on the definition. What is the definition of entrepreneurship? So and also you'll be asked on the types of innovation. Basically, you have four types, so you really need to understand these four types of innovation, how it differs between each other. And the larger portion of the question will be focusing on the Ishikawa diagram, which is fishbone diagram. So you need to really know how to develop this type of fishbone diagram. So basically, you have a problem here. So what are the main factor affecting the problems? So based on the major factors, you can have more contributive causes. So smaller bone here. So in midterm also, as I said earlier, we have a question on intellectual properties. You need to understand the type of intellectual properties. So what is the difference between this type? For example, you have copyright and trademarks. What are the difference between these two? And then what are the duration of protection for each of the type of trademarks? For example, you have copyright. So how long does copyright protect? Uh, uh, how long is the protection for copyright? So because you have copyright, you have broadcast, you have films, you have musical works. So differs between each of the type of copyrights. And also there will be also a question on a case study. So you have a case study when someone copy the you know copy the invention of a product. So what does it constitute? What type of infringement does it violate the patent patent intellectual properties, or is it the innovative industrial products? What are the types of intellectual property that is being violated by the copying company? And then also to explain briefly how do we register, let's say we innovate something. So how do we register that intellectual properties? So basically, slides on flowchart of registration, will help you to explain, and also what are the benefits of registering. So basically, the importance of having your intellectual properties being registered. I think that will be all. So good luck in your exam, and don't hesitate to contact me for any consultation. Thank you.